What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Braylee. I think I'm gonna go with that for now until I find something else. I'm B, y'all my legacy, and today is the day I fly to Cali to compete. Not today, but I compete tomorrow all the way up and through the week. But I just wanted to get on here and let y'all know and start the vlog for today. It's gonna be a week-long vlog. I just like mashing everything into like one video or recording a lot of content just to put it in one short video, so it's not just one video and it's not just about one thing. So getting ready to go to the chiropractor, gotta get adjusted, so I'll let y'all know when we get there. So it's currently like 11:10, and of course I can never be on time for anything. So yeah, running behind schedule already. Ooh, I'm gonna have to blur that out, but running behind schedule already. I hope y'all can hear me. I hope it's not too windy, but supposed to be at the chiropractor right now, getting cracked like an egg. No Diddy, but supposed to be getting cracked like an egg, and ain't no cracking going on. So I'm finna make some calls to see where everybody at so we can get this show on the road. Alright, so boom, after I got off hold, I had to be on my way to the airport because we were late. That's why we're driving super fast. It's not actually in fast motion, it's just we're driving like super, super fast. So we had to zoom through the whole airport, walking 1,000 miles per hour, and we got on the plane finally, and that's why I look so irritated, because I wasn't in a comfortable seat, but it's cool. I tried to show y'all a little bit of the landscape when we got to, I think we was in Las Vegas by this time. We was in Las Vegas. We had to get off the plane and go to another flight, but well, y'all, I made it to Vegas off the first flight. Now we gotta catch another flight. And we rushed through everything, so I didn't catch none of that. But I did catch some of like the little flight. So I'll see y'all when we get at the next airport. Alright, people, flight number 2. Let's pray I get a good seat. Cause, I mean, I got a good seat last time. It was an in seat, but I'd be looking for the window seat so I can get content for y'all. So, let's see. I had to save my dad a seat. You want the window seat or this end seat? I had to save my big man a seat. He got a bad seat last time. I feel bad for him. I just looked up and he was just like this. So I saved him a seat. We have landed. No more flights. It's time to go back. Now it's time to eat. We gotta go get our bag. Oh, the lighting is terrible. I'll get back to y'all. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time. Best kept secret. They say time is. She can't see her life without me. We have made it to California. Let me fix my tone. Had to get on 2 flights. Never did that before, but it was cool. I survived. Then we had to wait 30 years for our bags, but we finally got them. And now we finna get a car and probably just ride around, familiarize ourselves with the place, then eat. Then we gotta hit the ground running at 8:45 tomorrow. And that's when the football events start. So hopefully I get to vlog as much as I can of that. I don't kind of want to be like, let the vlogging get in the way of me handling business. So I don't know how much y'all see, but I'll try to vlog as much as I can. But we here. I'm confused on why the whole California airport or LA airport or Long Beach airport is outside. It's okay though. And it's very small compared to our airports. So, yep, let's see what fast car we get. Because I told them we need to get a fast car. But if we don't get a fast car, it's okay. We got a car. So, all right, I'm going to get back to y'all.
If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time. Best kept secret. They say time is. She can't see her life without me. She's so plastic.
So we just dropped our bags off, but it's dirty out here. Oh, don't let nobody hype your head up about California. It's dirty. No tea, no shade to nobody. If this is your home, let it be your home, but it's dirty. And I guess I'm just privileged because I live in Dallas. But nah, we're finna go get something to eat. So, in the cut with my twin, we be body. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Buddy, and I'm back here with another legacy. Wait, because I've never said that, but it actually, I like it. What's good, YouTube? My name is Brandon, and I'm back with another legacy. Wait, because please don't mind my crust. I prefer to eat, let my body wake up, and then do all the good stuff. So, hopefully my breath not too hot. Oh, y'all clear right back up, so it's not that hot. Today is the day. Oh, my chain on backwards. Anyway, let me sit y'all down real quick just so I can talk. And this little duck out. Alright, today is the day. The competition starts. The scoping of the scenery starts for me. Legacy, I'm just taking y'all along, and if y'all haven't caught on now, I'm B, and this is my legacy, so I will refer to y'all as Legacy, and I hope that's fine with y'all. You know, down the road, if we want to make any changes, y'all just let me know. But today, I'm doing a lot of performance tests and stuff, a lot of the ground rules, just getting broke down and meeting new people. So I'm just taking y'all along for the ride. I'm finna go get breakfast. Hopefully they have some good breakfast. Not gonna try to eat too heavy because as an athlete, that heavy eating, it just ain't for you. Especially if you finna go work out after. That's an upset stomach. But nah, I'm finna go downstairs, see what they got, and then from there, it's up. Okay, I'm the first one here. As I can see, they got a nice little setup. But I'm just finna go through everything and like, you know. So we got an infamous waffle maker. It's not Texas size, but I'm not in Texas, so I shouldn't expect that. But I've always seen this waffle batter. Never have I seen them make lemon waffle batter. So get down. Then they got the stuff you can put on top. I'm gonna try to stay away from this. I really am. But if I don't, then that ain't my fault either. We got some toast and some bagels. They got omelets and potatoes and sausage. Oh, they have mini waffles. I think I'm gonna go with the mini waffles. Cause that is just lesser portion. Correct me if I'm wrong. Might not be lesser portion. But I feel like it's lesser portion. They got oatmeal yogurt, boiled eggs. Sorry, y'all. I love boiled eggs. You got your cereal, and then you get your juice. What? They real fancy. But let me make my plate and then I'll get back to y'all. Oh, can't forget the fruit.
If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time. Best kept secret. They say time is.
So at this point, I have finished breakfast and we were on our way to the college that they were going to be was helping host basically just event and where orientation and where we would be shuttled to eat lunch after every performance day. I'm going to be voicing over most or if not the rest of the video because it really wasn't much for y'all to see. I just tried to get the overall experience of just, you know, what I was doing or how it was being done. What's up, gang? I'm alive, dressed in here, suited and booted and ready to go. We just went up there to see like everything that we gotta do. Check-in is not until 9, but to be early is to be on time. To be on time is to be late, and to be late is to not come at all. So we just had to pay for parking, per usual. They always run in their pockets. It's okay though. So I'm gonna go in here. I think today they just doing mostly like the testing to kind of like rank us all, but nothing I'm not used to. Okay, so after I stood in that line, y'all just seen, they gave us some forms to fill out so that we can be picked up and dropped off, and basically just to consent through the testing that we were doing, it was okay to do it, and that I would be able to physically, just give effort in the testing, and, if I got hurt or anything, basically that they would take care of me, and they giving the trainers consent to doctor on me or be athletic trainers basically to you. We got a bag, y'all. We got my name on it. Merrily. Got my little name. Got my flex. Finally, I didn't have to steal from the camp. Uh-oh. Got me a little hat. We gotta play in 36. It's okay though. We got us some shorts. Reversible shorts. This is probably the game one. That other one's probably practice. Some shirts. We got a pair of gloves. And of course some socks. Well, now we finna go back to the car after we turn these papers in, and we'll catch y'all on the flip side. So we didn't end up going to the car. I ended up learning how to read the map for the campus and just walking around and familiarizing myself with the place until orientation.
You guys are the pipelines in the future. How do you react when you don't make a great play?
Network, meet new people, and just be in the now.
Y'all are all here for a reason. Somebody saw something in you when you showed up to those talent ID camps. So believe in yourself, believe in your teammates, believe in the process that we're doing here at USA Football, and just do you out there.
Make sure you leave better than you were when you got here.
This is the day 3. Really two of events, 3 of traveling, but we in LA. Got my drip on. And we got early morning practice today. Practice, team meeting, eat, practice again. That's really why y'all probably not seeing nothing, because I just practiced all day. My brain was stressed out yesterday after we did a whole 2-hour practice and testing. My brain was stressed out. But it's okay, because we just got to practice today. Just a physical today. Physical practice. That's all I got to worry about. And then we're going to go eat good. And then games start tomorrow. So we got to have a productive practice today. All right, now it was more videos, but they are all game clips. So if you guys want to see me playing and you want me to voice over me playing and just kind of give y'all my overall experience and sit down and talk with y'all, just like, comment, and subscribe for more. But I really just didn't do nothing every day after that. It was just wake up, play football from the time I wake up to the time I go to sleep. So, like, comment, subscribe for more, and leave a comment down below on what you liked about this video.